Number 2 comes on the VOA Arilongting Kanga Tanangapoin. Nevi lo Shigrangla Yashinanga Yakam Mampuchi Jonji Yichatan, Ziglo Hopta Yicha, Zosong Kanka Yicha, Mankang Yicha, so Puikanala Yersoyo Banangshi, Toim Nayunga Caps, Americata, Euro Swiss, France La Sopi, Yakab Sosunanga Jonji Yicha, Puikana Yeriobare. Tata Australia Ganant, Toim Naim Tanjivi, Tanya Sari, Jonji Yicha, Puikana Yendu. Shamta Sharshin be Tatsing Dinane, COVID Chirgi, Tanya Chiwandi, Tonabayina, Kai Nish Sabyaganane, Poing Dam Tukundu, Shongi Nisaksi Chanki, Nasonga Cup Satin Tanjivi, Surik Tanya Ki, Sixer Shorjing the La Talakchi Tukundu, Toim Naim Tanjivi, Narik Tanga Cup, Manchi Tala Tanya Sarwa Mampu Chonyo Pater, then Australia re Turtin Hankanga Lecher in Batan Poki Lozawa Chonsiran Loki Poyan Nawa in Bare. Jano Shungi Yashinangla, Jano Marshal Shunga, Nanya Yapushi Tengichit, Mangal Pun Chimbutane, Tapchin Hatsopatin Shimbale, Tarticher Jano Shunga Shinu Yosati Yena, Shiget Alam the Katariope Menazo, Jano Shunjik in Jinsapala Kungu Shimbati Rendu. Nature Jano Niri Topati, Direp Service, no Jonjap Kansirashi, Gunje Chepatan, Teacups, Shiget Chekepatan, Jano Lagavi Shiawatola, Yachina, the Jano Marshal Jon Motoshi in the Topandi Muyurso in Badam Person. Yang Jano Rishunga Yinchi Serkan, CGTN, Sargo Patan, Talam Santua, Talam Tikatachivim, Lakpat the Shiget Talam the Katachivim, Merchiki, Yachinala, Jano Mutuki, Mirko One, Sargo Donchopa Shivin, Jandershik Soshan Batan, Tina Ne Yachinala, Jano Mutushin, Kazanstombi, Manani Yandem Tushaji in Bajondu. Jano Shungi, Shiget Menato, Jano Shungan, Jensapala, Kunguchi, Shimbi, Tapchin Ditala, Arilongting Kangi, Shiget Chilemanala, Kachati.
I'm not surprised foreigners are doing this, especially Canadians, Americans, all these people. I'm not surprised because there's no other option. If you're going to be an influencer in China, that's what you do now. The Chinese government has dumped so much money into this this campaign to make China look good and to promote the Chinese government that you're not going to have people on the fence that are going out there and filming very neutral content anymore because it's not allowed. There is no room for nuance anymore. There's no room for saying, hey, this is what needs to be taken care of, but this is what's great. Now it's this is what's great and this is why it's better than the West.
Whether or not any of them are being paid, obviously we can't tell. But I do think many of them probably just genuinely come by their beliefs for whatever reason. And then Chinese state media outlets are just good at finding those people and giving them a platform. The strategy is clear. You find a Western voice to say essentially what you want to say, and that makes it appear that those opinions are more credible.
Yang Jano Shungi, Shiget Manso Tang, Rangang Talam Kuri Pesho Tane, Popi Kola, Chazuki Tedok Tapchin, Humane Pelishibagakor, Ditala, Muxaki Yamship Shinken, Poki Sishi Yamship Kanga Yamshipa, Tenzin Phentok Tanangapolango Tonanto.
Nieto Ye Lola, the Penala, Shikui Chimbuchumba Tatan, Loti Kitchen the Gebena, Janala, Olympica Kitchen, Tibet Kapsu, Tachigi Ube Pepas Pimitsugi, Tango Shukchimbu Chibek, Kinki Tajana Shungi Sumieti, Yapumi Batan, Wotaweg, Netu Shukchimbu Chadere, the Lotinesum Jana Shungi, the Putan Jiwe, Putan Jiwegi, Chita Chimputi, Goat Samuare, Labatuta, Jongo Perji Bosuegita, Kebe Min Kibeta, Chita Chineta, Labatu Kwanzu Sagan Tang, the Chirakita, Legu Shukchibu Pibutumbata, Jana Shungi, the one whom Chacha. Siaketa, Sojo Shukchibucheta, Loma Nalata, Puge Gibatan, Jagge Gibata, Yinjike Giba, Taken Namang Tone, Punage, Pivatugi, that Netan Yahui, Takapta Chagi, Netu Mabuton, the Tensama Janashungi, Chita Chimbuki, Lesinagi, Chashi Imbazingazugi, Musenchiguari.
Yang Taji Ranga, Bete Kodum Giosi, Ponanga Bome Kashi Tan, Sopa Kashi, Shiget Talam Kordayone, Janok Shunga Tawa Zilla Jopetoni, Tapchin Hat Sopagato, Podun Tedopation, but Ditala, Zansho Shumani, Tinangiwata, Lapat the Jabson Janet, Shirta Shagiwaga Corne, Tenzin Phentok, Mutunet Anangapolango Tonantun.
Jana Shungi Talulo la Purang Jonala, Satu Bayun Zuktu Sak, Timzin Shazi Tinala, that permit to Dambiti Pumirangi Shegu Dusi, Pumi, that one home, Pun Chimbuchi Sujo Chata, Nilapato, Jinda Truboneti, Chiji Mitre Sujo Cheze, that Punang Chi, that nearby Gip, that Chiji Tajagal Capta Cheze, Tinjaki Punalata, Neda Yabu Beki, Traxi Chiagi, Naba Shuk Chimbuchi Tongido. nga zu gi xin gua la ta jana shung gi VPN page dang je ta Facebook dang YouTube la so pe gi chi ge gi ji du chwa ge ka la ching be na de kwan zu ta ti ching ge zi go la hua du phe nang la ta ti jin be ta phe mi ju sung cha ta ni dong da ya chim ta jia gi ne zu ha jang gi zhe chim bu tang gang yi shu chim bu jo ri ting zhe ge su ta jana shung gi chi ge ji du chwa ge ka kya zhan ya ti ta ti ge bu le jana shung yue ba ji nga zu gi ngun zin chi gu ya ta ni la hua tu na nga zu gi nie ba ti la hua la so hua ting zu ta ni ga da zhe ba ta ju bi che bei na nga zu jana shung gi ta chi da chin bi wa gi la ja zam du ju gu ba la de ngun zin da ta to na chi gu ya ti ha jang ke chin bu cha sha
Tenia nga zo nyamba la tawi ti su te la lhew son te rang nga che sim sang chen ki po chi we je ti nang ne tom thong thong chi la nyam de nyen Tang di zhan nge bo yong sen yang zhu xu sen ba yin lim chen chi mer nga chu jia den jie yong